Bitcoin rejects at 70K and gets sent back down to 65K. Are the bulls just reloading for a bigger move, or is more downside coming? Let's find out. Welcome back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Right now it's about 5 p.m. Eastern time. The price of Bitcoin is currently at 65,480. We're going to start off here with the weekly chart. This candle closes in the next 2 days and 3 hours. We're still having another red candle. This is probably going to be about 7 weeks in a row that we're getting red candles here. The 200 moving average is currently at $58,505. Let's see how this candle ends up closing, but right now it just looks like we're going sideways and we're possibly waiting for this 21 moving average, which is kind of far away from price, to catch up to price a little bit more, and then we'll probably just end up rolling over, possibly continuing this head and shoulder pattern with the measured move taking us below 30K eventually. When we head over to the 4-day chart, we see that the stochastics RSI are rolling over. The RSI is also rolling over. This new candle closes in the next 2 days and 3 hours. The 21 moving average is crossing down on the 200 moving average. This is bearish. We head over to the 2-day chart. This is where I have this in a bear flag. I told you guys, don't get too happy that we had to move up earlier unless we could break above this bear flag and get above this 21 moving average. I don't think it really means much. And all we did was just get back into the bear flag, and now we're currently breaking out of the bear flag again. Stochastics look like they want to continue going up. Let's see what ends up happening. But right now, this is not looking good. We have a big red candle, and this candle closes in the next 2 hours. It looks like it's going to end up closing red as well. On the daily chart, stochastics look like they want to go up, but the RSI is rolling over. We couldn't get above 50. 21 moving average is touching price already, and I just see these 3 tops, lower highs. We haven't been able to break above the 21 moving average. This looks to me like it's possibly going to dump as well. If we can't get above this 21 moving average and at least get to this 50 moving average, I think we're going lower. On the 21 moving average, stochastics are getting toppy. We have bearish divergence here on the stochastics RSI. The RSI is also rolling over. We got rejected off the 50 moving average. Again, not looking good. On the 8-hour chart, stochastics rolling over as well. You can see we got rejected. It's just showing more downside here. 4-hour chart, we're starting to reset. This is probably the time frame that could save us if we can make it back up above this 21 moving average. The 200 moving average is currently at $72,401. We would really have to get above this with strength to show that the bulls have some type of momentum. If not, this is just going to be a bull trap and we're going to end up rolling over. Now, yesterday on the 1-hour chart, I left you guys with a falling wedge. This measured move would take us to about 71,461. You can see we got some of the measured move here. We made it up yesterday to about 68K. I gave you this like around 67,400. So there was like about $1,000 or more move here that could have been done, but it never made the whole measured move. We fell back into the falling wedge. I would have to readjust this now, and if we break out now, this measured move could take us to about 69,773. Again, resistance at 70K. This white line here is the top of that bear flag on the 2-day chart. So it just brings us back to the top of the channel, and then we'll probably end up rolling over. The stochastics do look good. It looks like we could continue going up. So let's see if this falling wedge finally plays out the whole measured move. This looked like a nice inverted head and shoulder here, and this got rejected, never played out. On the 15-minute chart, we're battling to stay above this 21 moving average. Stochastics are rolling over. We really need to get above this 200 moving average to show any type of strength. That's currently at 67,382. That does not look like it's going to be happening. So right now, guys, I just see us either going sideways or really rolling over. If we do have a chance to go up, we will have to battle that 70K resistance again. That's going to determine if we're going to continue going up or not. If we lose 70K again, if we even make it up there, then we're probably going to go down lower. I'm expecting us to possibly go sideways and try for 70K again, but if we can't break above, I do see us possibly going to 60K. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.